Alright everybody, and today I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Fire alarms are really cool. As you can see about this fire alarm is I installed this alarm. I installed that alarm on the wall, and it's nice, and I installed it since a long time ago. So as you can see, this is a fire alarm demo, So as you can see, in the inside of this alarm, if I'm gonna open up right now, the thing doesn't make a sound. You're gonna see that button. So when the button is already not pushed, I'm gonna press that button. That alarm will sound when the button releases. And because of that, and here's the model number that is ruined. I might go ahead and get a screwdriver to screw the pull station already in, and I'm coming right back to get a screw. So, and one screw is missing over here. We'll go ahead and shut the pull station now. Oh god, I can't close this all the way. There you go. So as you can see, this fire alarm pull station, it matches the cover of this phone case or phone cover. I'm not gonna say. As you can see, this is single action. As you can see, this one does not say lift and pull. So this one is just signal action, and you just gonna pull down just like that. Okay, I'm gonna close that. Alright, so as you can see, the logo has been taken off. So look at that. As you can see, I have this pull station right now in the back box. So I'm gonna show you the back box right now on this version. So I might go ahead and as you can see, I'm gonna show you. This is the back box right here. I use this back box so when the wires go through, as you can see. I'm gonna show you the inside. Here the exit signs. Of course, I don't have any time. Okay. Here's the thing. It twists on. Here it is, the button, and also missing one screw. I finally could get another screw with a screw in it. And I'm not allowed to do that right now. So, but yeah. Oh god. Got it. And I'm gonna put you down again since it's real. I'm here to pull the fire alarm. This is real, so please. So as you see, this alarm doesn't connect to anything. It's just the fire alarm station itself. And I'm gonna head and pull the fire alarm, and that doesn't work. So let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm. And I pulled it, and it's pulled you. So it looks great though, and you cannot push it back up. When someone pulls in the building, it lets you push it back up. So it won't able to put it back up when the alarm is pulled. So it looks like the Simplex model with one of those. But it's a part of station. You can go ahead and reset it. So this thing, we'll go ahead and open it. And as you can see, the pull station is activated. As you can see, when this button is unpressed, which means the fire alarm pull station has been pulled, and there's a fire. Okay? And, So, facts about this pull station, they're already matching all my exit signs. The two exit signs were still on, and, yeah. So, if you do this, look what happens. Open up the pull station, and activate the button when you open up the pull station or when you key activate. So when you key activate, the button will activate the alarm. So when you pull down the fire alarm, the button will release itself and will sound. So yeah, when you pull down the alarm, the button will be activated. So let me go ahead and reset. So we're gonna be careful. Never pull fire alarms unless these are your own, or you have permission, or it's an actual fire. Let me go ahead and reset the fire alarm. Got it. I do this because the fire alarm pull station's harder to close. Let me go ahead and pull the fire alarm again, and we're going to demonstrate it this time. Alright, and let's reset that again. We're going to reset the fire alarm. There you go. Put this thing back up, and boom. So let me go ahead and now we look at the lettering. So, fire alarm, pretend this is the fire alarm, pull down, and with the arrow on it, and it says Simplex, but if I take this out, it doesn't do anything. It's just a part of pull station, but I took the logo out for no any reason, but the fire alarm thing should be different. So as you can see, this pull station is not actually made out of plastic. It's made out of metal, of course. All pull stations are made out of metal. So basically when you pull the fire alarm, so when you pull that fire alarm, when you pull it down, straight down, the button will, the pull station will tell you the button will be activated. So let me go ahead and pull the fire alarm again. There you go, I pulled the fire alarm. And let's go ahead and reset it with this key. Once again, never pull fire alarms like I just said. Never pull fire alarms unless these are your own, or you have permission, or it's an actual fire. And let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm again this time. Go. So as you can see, so once again, one more thing, when you pull that fire alarm, the button will activate the alarm like this, and you reset it too. And if you want to do this with this hand, it's no problem. This alarm doesn't sound. I have to close all the pull station all the way. So as you can see about this pull station is with this. I have to put the sticker that says when fire alarm pull station is activated, please call 911. That is something you have to do when the fire alarm is pulled, or when the alarm activates, like this. Or something you deactivated it. I'm not a gamer. I'm just a fire alarm, an exit sign, and ceiling fan, and traffic light, a radio tower, and anything, dude, like something, everything like it. I'm going ahead and pull the fire alarm again this time. That's everything. Everything's the same. Here we go. There you go. The thing is, I cannot close the pull station really well. So this is a fire alarm demo. So something is smooth. Watch this. This one does have the smooth bar right here. So as you can see, this bar is actually smooth, but reset the fire alarm. So let's do this again. I'm gonna pull down the fire alarm. I'm gonna show the inside of this. I pulled the fire alarm. So when the pull station is activated, which means the button will activate the alarm. So when you open up the pull station, you will see the button inside. Something that's really amazing to show you is this button right here is activated, so you can't you can press the fire alarm button. When you let go of the button, the fire alarm sounds. And that's something you have to do. So once again, this is not actually made out of plastic. This one's made out of metal. So all metal pull stations can have the hex key, which is on there, or key lock, and something like that, you know. I now I installed this on the wall. Thank goodness. So as you can see, I'm going to show you something. This pull station cost. I'm not telling you what it is. I'm not telling you. I'm going to tell the cost is $6,000. I'm just joking with you. I'm just joking. It looks like I don't know how much cost is it, but $6,000 is really expensive, like breaking a computer. But this one doesn't cost expensive. It's not much. So. And that is the fire alarm demo.